Monday for the EURUSD has started in a bullish mode, where we can see that the Monday has ended as a bullish candle, where we can see that the price has started to move slightly down, reaching this downtrend support on a monthly time frame and then bouncing back up to return above 1.05825. The price could not reach the lower level where the demand zone and the bias are here because the confluence of the support. In the previous analysis I have mentioned that the price could return back down reaching this demand zone, but the bulls has had the strength to push the price earlier than reaching this area around here. So the price has bounced back up on a Monday and has formed this bullish engulfing bar, which is a good signal around this confluence of support that the price could return back up. We can see that the price is closed above these two candles, these two bearish candles, which was a good signal for the bulls. So let me put here engulfing. Okay, this is engulfing. This is okay. Then we can see on Tuesday the price had a bearish candle where we can see that the price tried to reach higher level because of this bullish move on a Monday, and then the price returned back down. So the price has opened at this price point and then closed at this price point. So this was a small signal that the sellers are not still over, and there could be the price could return back down. But after the price has break out to the upside, this was the second signal that should be a confirmation. But this second Tuesday day was not a good confirmation because the price returned back down. It has almost closed below that, below the 1.05825 support level. So on a Wednesday we got a confirmation about the bull strength. We can see that strong bullish candle from this area here has pushed the price all the way above 1.06 resistance level, and the price returned back down below this resistance level. The day has closed, but we can see that we have another bullish engulfing candle, which is showing us a strong bullish momentum. Just engulfing. Let's put this one here. Okay. After that, the price bounced back down, returning all the way to 1.05825 support level because the buyers who have entered here has exited here because this is the first strongest resistance level for the price. The price returned back down 1.05825 and stopped here on a Thursday, where we can see that the sellers who have entered here and also the buyers who have exited here returned the price down, but the price managed to stay above this 1.05825 price level, and on the Friday we can see the bulls have tried to push the price again up. So we had this week as a bullish week, and we can go back to weekly time frame to see how this looks. After a strong bearish momentum moving the price down, the price could not break below this price point and could not reach this lower level around 1.048, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. So the price has stopped here around this area where the buyers have had strength to prevent the price to reach lower levels. We can see after the price is broken below this 1.05825, the price could not find on a weekly time frame a confirmation of this breakout to the downside. So we can see that the price is returning back up, returning the price above this price point 1.05825. So currently we can see that the price has reached a 1.069 price level, which is an area around here where we have these three candles and confluence of support and resistance where the price had problems. So the price has stopped at the first price point where it will have a problem reaching higher level. From there the price bounced back down and stopped around here, where we can see these three candles, which is currently support for the price. Let's go to the monthly time frame and see what has happened. On a monthly time frame, we can see that the price in February had strong push down and we can see almost the market has formed a bearish engulfing, but it is not clean bearish engulfing bar. So the price is stopped here at the monthly support, a downtrend, and the price bouncing back up. Currently, what we can see that the price on a monthly time frame has returned back up, but could not reach this price level 1.007056 on a monthly time frame, but there is still a chance. So if we take a look how the market looks, we can make an overview for the March. So on a monthly time frame, we can see that the price has managed to start this week and also started the month with a bullish candle. The price is currently here at the support level, and there is a high chance that on a monthly time frame we could see the price reaching 1.073, but also on the downside there is still option that the price could reach 1.0053 again, and also a lower level 1.048. So the price could reach its price level and bounce back up because of this strong support level. But everything depends on a weekly and also daily time frame, which is a much more cleaner an overview that we can follow and to see how the market looks. But on a monthly time frame, we can see after the strong bearish attempt to move the price down, the price is stopped here. So there is a high chance that the price could return back up 1.07, and then around this price level 1.07825, which is the first resistance and also a supply zone on a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, the price is bouncing from this area, and this is a confluence of support between this downtrend support level and also 1.05825 support level. So the price is bouncing back up and stop it here where currently is the support for the price on a daily time frame, and also here resistance on a weekly time frame. So between these two price levels, the price will probably try to reach higher level, but there is a chance that the price could return back down on a weekly time frame just to find a support before attempting to move on a higher level. These four candles in the previous month has a strong bearish momentum, so there will be still a bearish momentum pushing the price here, but the first one where the sellers are waiting is around this price level 1.073. So this is the price level before reaching 1.07825, where the price could reach and experience a supply zone where the sellers will push the price down. But currently what we can see, the price has returned and could not confirm this bearish breakout to the downside around 1.05825. So we need to wait the next week what will happen. If the price stays above this price level 1.05825, it will mean that the bulls are strong and they will remain the price above this price level, and we could see the price reaching 1.07825. If the price returns back down and reaches again, then we know that the sellers are still strong and there is high probability that the price will continue to move down, reaching around 1.048 as the first level, which we have seen on the monthly time frame, and then reaching down here price level around 1.0416, which is around 1.03920 support level where the buyers are. And also this will be the price level where the sellers will get out from their trades that have pushed the price down. On upper side, the first one is 1.07825, and it is a critical level for the buyers. If they are managed to push the price above, this will mean they have returned in the bullish trend, and we will see price reaching higher levels and reaching again this area around 1.08846, which is a great supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and it is a critical level for the bulls to push the price on higher levels. On a daily time frame, we can see that the price has managed to form these two bullish candles, engulfing bars, and then we can see that the price has reached here 1.06736. After the price has made a breakout above this 1.05825, the price has managed to stay above. We can see that the price returned back down, but the bulls had strong momentum to push the price again on a higher level. So we can expect that the price will try to break 1.06736, at least how it looks right now on a daily time frame. If the price breaks out to the upside, there will be chance that the price will reach 1.0733, which is a critical level. You can see it here for the bulls. We can see that the price manages to reach 1.07825 on a daily time frame with the wicks. So we can expect that the price, if it breaks above, it will reach 1.07825, which will be a great level for the exit, and also a great position to put a sell orders to push to trade the price level on the bounce to the downside to 1.06736. So there is a highly chance I'm expecting the price to reach higher levels in the next week. If the price returns down for some reason and goes below this price level, which is here between below these three candles, 1.057, this will mean that the price has returned back down the sell mode, and we can expect that the price will reach 1.05087, and there is possibility to reach 1.048, which I have mentioned on a monthly and a weekly time frame. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up, but let's see how this looks if I stretch this one up. Oh, sorry. Let's stretch this one. Okay. A little bit up. Okay. We can see that this bullish engulfing candle has reached this uptrend, which is currently a resistance line, and we can see that if the price continues to move up, it will reach around this price level, which will be a confluence of resistance. Okay, just a minute. I need to turn this down. This is good. And then let's see, to make a trend line here, if we can make one. Okay, corner visibility, this is on the days, this is good. Let's copy paste this one. And let's put this one where it fits. It's making a little bit problem for me. And here we go. We can see this is a small downtrend currently for the price. And just a minute, let me see this one here. Is it much better than this one? Yeah, this is much better. Let's allow this one. This is okay. Now we can see that the price is in the small downtrend and it has exited from this uptrend, but there is high probability that the price will continue to move up. So this is an area, and also this is one a critical 1.073 is a critical area for the bulls. If they manage to push the price higher below this price level, it will mean they have returned in the bullish mode. But the critical level for the bulls is this 1.07825, where you can see that after they have moved above, they have tried and pushed the price above 1.08846, and it also reached 1.098. So the bulls are still in the downtrend on a daily time frame, but there is a probability that they will manage to push the price on a higher level. So I'm expecting the price to reach here at least in the next week, and we'll see will they manage to push above and stay above. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.